Let's take a look at this chain right here, and if you're into simple chains that still have a little presence, then this Cuban style necklace is actually pretty solid. The brand did send it over to us in exchange for this video, so thanks to them for partnering with us. This chain right here is made from stainless steel, so it's not one of those cheap ones that's going to tarnish or turn your neck green. This one's plated in black. You can also choose gold, but they hold up really well. No weird discoloring or fading so far. We've had it for a few weeks, wearing it in the shower. The one we got is 24 inches long and about 7.5 millimeters wide, which is a nice middle ground. It's not super chunky, but not thin either. It lays flat, it feels smooth, and it's surprisingly comfortable to wear all day. The clasp is upgraded too, so it doesn't randomly pop open like some of the other cheaper chains tend to do. You can wear it on its own if you like a clean look, or you could even layer it with other chains or pendants too. Really, it's just one of those things that you put it on and forget it's there. And it even comes in a velvet pouch, so if you're grabbing it as a gift or pretending you bought it for someone else but keeping it for yourself, it's already packaged nicely and ready to give. My husband absolutely loves it. We hope you do too. And I hope this video helps.